In this quick video, I will show you how to delete downloads from Telegram app on iPhone to free up your Telegram app. First of all, launch your Telegram app and then tap on settings. And once you're in your account settings page here, scroll down and tap on data and storage. And here tap on storage usage. And here to delete all of your downloaded videos, files, photos, other files at once, just tap on clear entire cache. Or if you want to delete manually, then in this page scroll down all the way to the bottom and here select media. And here you will find all of your downloaded Telegram medias. Just select those medias you want to delete and then tap on clear selected. Tap on clear selected, and that's how you will be able to delete downloads from Telegram to free up your storage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.